Before you book that Botox appointment, watch this first. Not because Botox is bad, it's not, but because most people considering it have never been told what their skin can actually do on its own, with the right ingredients, the right routine, and a little bit of patience. We're talking clinically proven methods, ingredients that dermatologists and cosmetic surgeons use themselves. I'm going to walk you through everything, what works, why it works, and exactly how long it takes to see results. And stay till the end, because I'm giving you a complete step-by-step morning and evening routine you can start tonight. From around age 25, your body produces 1% less collagen every year. By 40, the effects are visible. By 50, significant. On top of that, your skin barrier, the protective outer layer, starts thinning. It holds moisture less effectively. It's more reactive, more sensitive. Fine lines appear not just from muscle movement, but from dehydration alone. And then there's the sun. Up to 90% of visible skin aging, wrinkles, dark spots, loss of elasticity, is caused by UV exposure.
Cosmetic procedures that actually work. Before Botox, try these. Chemical peels. A chemical peel uses acids, glycolic, lactic, salicylic, TCA, to remove the outer layer of dead skin cells, triggering cell renewal and, at deeper levels, collagen stimulation. A 2020 review in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology confirmed that glycolic acid peels significantly improve fine lines, hyperpigmentation, and overall skin texture with a series of treatments. What to expect? Superficial peels, 3 to 6 sessions every 2 to 4 weeks. Glowing, more even skin after the first session. Full results in 2 to 3 months. Cost range is $75 to $300 per session, depending on depth and clinic. Microneedling. Microneedling uses tiny needles to create controlled micro-injuries in the skin, triggering your body's wound healing response and, crucially, a surge in collagen and elastin production. A 2018 meta-analysis in the Journal of the American Academy of Dermatology found microneedling significantly improved acne scars, wrinkle depth, and skin laxity, with results comparable to fractional laser at a lower cost and less downtime. What to expect? 3 to 6 sessions, 4 to 6 weeks apart. Skin looks plumper and firmer after 4 to 6 weeks. Fine lines and texture improvement visible at 3 months. Full collagen remodeling takes up to 6 months. Cost range is $200 to $700 per session. LED light therapy. This one sounds futuristic, but the research is solid. Red light, that's 630 to 700 nanometer wavelength, penetrates the dermis and directly stimulates fibroblasts, the cells that produce collagen. Near-infrared light goes deeper, improving skin elasticity and reducing inflammation.
A 2014 study in photomedicine and laser surgery found that twice-weekly LED treatments over 30 sessions significantly improved skin complexion, skin tone, and collagen density. The best part? Home devices now exist that deliver clinical-level wavelengths. Consistent use matters more than intensity. What to expect? At-home devices, 10 minutes daily, 8 to 12 weeks for visible improvement. In-clinic treatments, faster. The ingredients that actually work. Retinol, the gold standard of anti-aging. If there is one ingredient that dermatologists agree on unanimously, it's retinol, or its prescription-strength cousin, tretinoin. Retinol is a form of vitamin A. It works by speeding up cell turnover, pushing newer, fresher cells to the surface, and by directly stimulating collagen production deep in the dermis. A study published in the Journal of Investigative Dermatology found that after 24 weeks of retinol use, participants showed significant improvement in fine lines, skin thickness, and collagen fiber density compared to placebo. What to expect? First 4 to 6 weeks, skin may purge slightly, get a little dry or flaky. That's normal. It's working. By week 8 to 12, you'll notice smoother texture and more even tone. By month 6, visible reduction in fine lines. How to use it? Start slow. 0.025% to 0.05% retinol 2 nights a week. Build up over 4 to 6 weeks to nightly use. Always at night, retinol degrades in sunlight. Always followed by moisturizer, always with SPF in the morning. This is the strongest evidence-based option available. Vitamin C, your skin's daily armor. Vitamin C, specifically L-ascorbic acid, is one of the most researched skincare ingredients in existence. It does 3 things at once. It's a powerful antioxidant that neutralizes free radical damage from UV and pollution, it inhibits melanin production to fade dark spots, and it directly stimulates collagen synthesis. A 2017 review in the journal Nutrients confirmed that topical vitamin C improves wrinkle depth, skin elasticity, and uneven pigmentation with consistent use. How to use it? Every morning, after cleansing, before SPF. Look for L-ascorbic acid at 10 to 20% concentration in a stable, dark, or opaque bottle. Vitamin C oxidizes in light and air. Think of it as sunscreen's best friend. Give it 60 seconds to absorb before moving to the next step. Niacinamide, vitamin B3, is the ingredient that does a little bit of everything exceptionally well.
It strengthens the skin barrier, reduces redness and blotchiness, minimizes the appearance of pores, controls excess oil, fades hyperpigmentation, and has been shown to boost ceramide production, your skin's natural mortar between cells. A clinical study found that 5% niacinamide reduced hyperpigmentation significantly in 8 weeks compared to vehicle control. Another found measurable improvement in skin elasticity and barrier function. What to expect? Calmer, more even skin in 2 to 4 weeks, pore refinement and glow in 4 to 8 weeks, hyperpigmentation improvement in 8 to 12 weeks. How to use it? Morning or evening, it's versatile. 5 to 10% concentration is the sweet spot. Pairs beautifully with everything except pure vitamin C at the same time. Use them at different times of day. Ceramides, rebuild your skin barrier. Here's something most people don't realize. A lot of what looks like aging, dull skin, redness, sensitivity, fine lines, is actually a damaged skin barrier. And the fix is ceramides. Ceramides are lipids, fats, that make up about 50% of your skin's outer layer. They act like the cement between skin cells, keeping moisture in and irritants out. With age, overuse of harsh products, sun exposure, and stress, your ceramide levels drop. A 2021 study in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology found that a ceramide-containing moisturizer significantly improved skin hydration, barrier function, and reduced transepidermal water loss in just 4 weeks. What to expect? Noticeably less tight, dry, or sensitive skin in 1 to 2 weeks. Improved plumpness and glow in 3 to 4 weeks. Hyaluronic acid, instant plump. Hyaluronic acid is your skin's own moisture magnet. One molecule can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water. Topical hyaluronic acid draws moisture into the skin, temporarily plumping fine lines and giving that dewy, hydrated look. Important note: apply to damp skin, then seal with moisturizer. Applied to dry skin in a dry environment, it can actually pull moisture out of your skin. Damp skin equals instant plump. Dry skin equals backfire. What to expect? Visibly more plump and hydrated skin within hours of first use. Long-term hydration improvement with consistent use. Stay with us because in a few minutes we're giving you the exact morning and evening routine using all of these. The precise order, the exact steps. You'll be able to write it down and start tonight. SPF 50, the most important step of your entire routine. I cannot stress this enough. If you do nothing else in this routine, do this every single day. Remember, up to 90% of visible skin aging is UV related. SPF is not optional. It is the single most evidence-backed anti-aging intervention that exists, more than any serum. Apply it generously, a full teaspoon for the face and neck. Most people apply 20 to 25% of the amount needed for the stated SPF protection. Reapply every 2 hours if you're outside. Your morning routine, in order: gentle cleanser, vitamin C serum, hyaluronic acid, ceramide moisturizer, SPF. Total time, 5 to 7 minutes. Evening routine. The evening is when your skin does its real repair work. Cell turnover is highest at night. Collagen production peaks at night. Your job is to support that process. Step 1. Oil cleanser. This is the first cleanse, and it's specifically designed to dissolve makeup, sunscreen, sebum, and the environmental pollution that's built up on your skin all day. Use a gentle oil cleanser or cleansing balm. Massage it into dry skin for 60 seconds, focusing on areas with makeup, then rinse off or emulsify with a little water. Oil dissolves oil. SPF and makeup are oil-based. A water-based cleanser alone can't fully remove them. Leftover SPF is one of the biggest causes of clogged pores and dull skin.
Step 2. Foaming or gel cleanser, the deep clean. This is your second cleanse, often called double cleansing. Now that the oil cleanser has removed the surface layer, your foaming cleanser can actually reach the skin and clean properly. Use the same gentle cleanser from your morning routine or a slightly more thorough formula for evenings. This is how Korean skincare taught the whole world to cleanse, and dermatologists now widely recommend it. Step 3. Exfoliating acid toner or serum, 2 to 3 nights a week only. This step is optional but powerful. 2 to 3 nights a week, use a chemical exfoliant, either AHA, glycolic acid or lactic acid, for surface cell turnover and glow, or BHA if you're prone to breakouts or blackheads. Do not use this every night, and do not use it on the same nights as retinol. Step 4. Niacinamide serum on non-retinol nights. On nights you're not using retinol or acids, apply your niacinamide serum. It supports your barrier, fades spots, refines pores, and calms any residual redness. 5 to 10% niacinamide, 2 to 4 drops, press gently into skin. Step 5. Retinol, the star of the evening routine. This goes on after serums, before moisturizer, on its own nights. Start with 2 nights per week and gradually increase. Apply a pea-sized amount, no more, to dry skin. Too much too fast is what causes irritation. The retinol sandwich technique for sensitive skin. Apply moisturizer first, then retinol on top, then moisturizer again. This slows absorption slightly and dramatically reduces irritation. Give it 20 to 30 minutes to absorb before applying moisturizer on top. Step 6. Rich moisturizer or overnight mask. Lock it all in. Your final step is your richest moisturizer of the day. At night, you can go heavier. Your skin won't be exposed to sun or pollution, and it has hours to absorb. Look for ingredients like shea butter, squalane, peptides, and ceramides. Peptides in particular are worth highlighting. They are small chains of amino acids that signal your skin to produce more collagen. A 2009 study in the International Cosmetic Science showed that peptide-containing creams measurably improved wrinkle depth in 8 weeks. Step 7. Optional. Eye cream. The skin around your eyes is the thinnest on your body, 0.5 millimeters, compared to 2 millimeters elsewhere. Apply a dedicated eye cream with your ring finger, lightest pressure, around the orbital bone. Look for caffeine, which reduces puffiness, peptides, which firms, and hyaluronic acid, which plumps. The realistic timeline. Here's the honest answer to the most important question. When will I see results? Week 1 to 2. Your skin feels cleaner, more hydrated, less tight. The barrier is starting to recover. Week 4. Brighter, more even tone. Niacinamide and vitamin C are visibly working. Skin texture starts to smooth. Week 8. Fine lines appear softer, dark spots lighter. Your skin has more glow at baseline, not just when the light hits it right. Month 3 to 4. Retinol results are becoming visible. Skin is noticeably firmer. Friends start asking what you're doing. Month 6. This is where the real transformation is visible. Consistent retinol and vitamin C use for 6 months shows the kind of results that people mistake for professional treatments. The key word is consistent. Skincare is not a sprint. It is infrastructure. You're rebuilding your skin's biology, and that takes time. But it is real. It is measurable. The wrap-up. So, before you book that Botox appointment, try this first, for 6 months, consistently. Because here's what the research tells us. The people who start with a solid skincare routine, ceramides, retinol, vitamin C, daily SPF, proper hydration, often look back 6 months later and realize they don't need as much as they thought they did. Botox can smooth a line, but it can't give you healthy skin. Only you can do that. From the outside in, every morning and every evening. Let's recap your complete routine. Morning, gentle cleanser, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, ceramide moisturizer, SPF 50. Evening, oil cleanser, foaming cleanser, exfoliant or niacinamide alternate nights, retinol, rich peptide moisturizer, eye cream. That's it. That's the whole thing. Your skin is remarkable. It regenerates. It responds. It rewards consistency. You just have to give it what it needs. If this video helped you, please share it with someone you love. And if you want more videos breaking down health, beauty, and science in plain, simple language, subscribe and hit the bell. Leave a comment telling me which step you're starting with. I read every single one. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.